kay tubod mo naman eh. Ay la, o ilan eh.
Thank you for watching. Tigi digi dang, tigi dang dang dang, tigi digi dang, tigi dang. Just wherever you wanna let it, making my way. This is the Hi. Wait lang.
Sana ko sigman, malinawon na. So, kami sa ano mo, sa trabaho medyo sa boarding at si Data. Kaya, parang medyo nalagay siya. Saka pag makasigan, ano?
Thank
Thank you for the watching for in the people in the house.
the people in the house.
Nako.
Thank you for watching.
Mama, block ako ni May. Followers na ako. Block ko. Mama, nag-streaking. Ano ako, viewers?
Wow. It's good job. Aray ko. Ikagayo. Matuay ka nga ni doon. Diane. Hi, Diane. Please. Be careful. Thank you.
Kaan na gabi!
Baka mo nagkaraan. Nakasuli ha. Hi, James, Bradley. We love you long time. Me? Really? How long? How long you love me? That kid is about to fall. To fall out the basket. Okay po. Okay, it's okay now, Dino. It will trip and it will have wounds. Yeah, she's okay now. She's done. Oh no. Remove the basket. I warned you. Yes, po. Wait. To check. Dadang, andun sa basket. Ayan. Thank you. Thank you, Dino Place. Fabiola. Hi. Fabio Parolamogrado. Hi, Mark. Hello again. Assalamualaikum masalam po ate. Salamat kay... Aray. Aray ko. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah. My God. Thank you so much. Dalut. Johnny. Hi, Johnny. Where are you from? Thank you for the likes. Good morning to you. Good evening here. Extra wide. Thank you, 44 people. So your name is? My name is Sheryl. Where do you live in Manila? No, I live here in the Bicol province, Philippines. Thank you so much. It's cold. When's your boyfriend visiting? Tomorrow. He's coming tomorrow. Thank you to those who sending the heart. Thank you so much. This Sally origin. Thank you. 43 people. Thank you so much. Oh my God! Yes, exciting, but nervous. Ito, naguyag si Kuya Gab sa luwas.
Ha?
Naguyag. Yes, exciting but felt nervous. Goya si Kuya Gab.
Ha?
Ay, ayaw na kay kung masagasaan ka dun sa motor. Didi ka lang. Stay at home. You are very pretty. Thank you, Johnny. Do you have children or not? I have one kid. Thank you to those who sending the heart. Thank you so much. Ha?
Aga naman ang itamahan ni Sagan.
Paga.
Sagan
Mga
na
nano na ano? Mga oras. Ikaw, marinig ka.
Ha? Alas 11, no? Tama na yung alas 11. Sagan na lang mamang pagkasulina.
Oo, sagan na.
Parang puro barato.
Oo, sige. Someday, only heaven knows. Maybe I have to Do you drink? Huh? Ew. Hi, KG Cristobal. Hey, Barco. Barco. Thumbs up after the host. Thank you, KG. Barco, hi. Thank you, Sonag. Thank you for watching. 44 people. Only heaven. Gagalit. Wait, she make a signal. Hi, George. Greetings. Hi. I love, huh? Very cool, Rima. Hi, 30 people. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm stronger than the destiny in my way. I want to join, but on Twitter. Join for what? I'm a stronger. I'm I love what? Love for what? You love what? Yeah. Yeah. Hi Miguel. Hi beautiful. I'm from Peru. How are you? You're a very nice person. Thank you. Hi, I'm from Philippines. Nice to meet you too. Blue Bijo. Blue Bijo. Thank you, 38 people. Twitter. No Twitter. I have no Twitter. Before I have. For now, no. I'm too busy. A lots of apps now. Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. But I'm just focused on YouTube. I'm just a no private message. You are a beautiful woman. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ronnie Rigari. Sweet hi, was 8. Hi. I don't like Bicol. I don't tolerate people staying here on my YouTube channel. Most of my live stream, people like you. No pervert here, no threat, no disrespect. If you don't respect to yourself, why you respect to others? That's why you don't respect. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. And you, where are you from? Do you have a job? No, what's up? No, what's up? I'm stronger. I live in USA. Wow. Do you live in USA? Where state? In USA. Service 8509. Said I run my own business. Wow, what business do you run? What business do you have, sir? With 8509. What kind of business? Hi, Dino Play. What is that? Wisconsin. What happened? Thank you for the people. 29 people in the house. Hindi ko makita. I'm a farmer, dairy farmer, cash copper. Oh wow, that's great. Cash copper. That's Kripa. Hello, Captain Habibi. I'm a girl. Yes, where are you from, Sir Captain Habibi? Nice to meet you here. Thank you to those who give the likes. Thank you. Marcio Santos, good morning. You are very beautiful from Portugal. Hi, Marcio from Portugal. Marcio Santos from Portugal. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you sa nag-hit the lights. Where is it from? I'm living here in the Philippines, Bicol province, Philippines. Like 14. Thank you, Gladiator Checks, for the likes. Thank you so much. Is it hard in the Philippines? Hard life here now in the Philippines because of fuel, high price the fuel, all groceries here is suddenly high price because of fuel prices here now. Hi, Sir Donnie. Hi, Sir. Good evening. Thank you, Sir Donnie. Thank you, Sir Donnie. How are you, Sir Donnie? Yes, the fuel price is high price here and it's affect the farmers. Same here, the farmers, all of basic needs like sugar and other like foods. I like other buying the store for basic needs for food, something like this. Just fine. From Sardon. What city in the Philippines? Bicol province, Philippines. I'm living here in the Bicol province, Philippines. Well, thank you for the people in the house. Ala, ala. What does it sound like? Children are fighting in the background, or are they playing basketball? Kids playing at the basketball. Wait, look, they're playing basketball outside. That's why. That's why noisy, always noisy here. Thank you, Donnie, Ronnie. Okay. I forgot, never ever change this. So don't go so, Mommy Tally. Hello, hello, Germany. Hello, Vietnam. I'm not married. Are you married? Not yet married, but I'm getting married soon. Hi, Gar Davis. Thank you for the heart, something heart. Thank you. Good morning to you. Night here, evening here. Evening here. 35 people in the house. Thank you. All is well. All is well. Davis, do you have any flat open toe slippers that you can wear at night or during the day? Flat open toe. Huh? Oh my god, I'm a stronger destiny. Dun, 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 dun. See me go on. I'm a strong, or flip flops or sandals like this. I wear this. I am Marshall. Hi, so cute. Thank you. I'm so cute. Mean. Hi, Mr. Pat. How long is left, Cheryl? Mr. Pat? One day. Yeah, one day. Tomorrow, he come here now. If he not arrived yet, he's on arriving from, he's on the flight now from New York to Manila. "17 hours his flight. Na. Thank you, Solites. Asa heart. Thank you for the hearts. Get nervous na. Thank you po. Big day. Yes, big day tomorrow. Excellent news. Good. Much respect to you both. Thank you so much, Sir Pat. Thank you, Mr. Pat. Thank you so much. The big eye bugs. The eye bugs is real. Our destiny. My loneliness. Thank you, New Cortex. New Cortex. Hi, New Cortex. "31 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you for 25 likes. Big D tomorrow. Yes, big D for tomorrow. Rafi Polska. Hi, Rafi Polska. Ala ala. Kasama. Masaling natin sila. Ang pag-ibig mo'y magbabalik at ito naman sa I'm so nervous. Very nervous. You look beautiful. Thank you, Conroy Peterson. Thank you so much. Conroy Peterson, thank you po.
Jumpy. Mama ko na tapos na tapos.
Thank you, Sir Card. How was your dinner? Dinner is good. It's fine. Better. Thank you, Sir Card. Thank you so much. Oh, nervous na. My God, what should I do? What should I do? Hi, Target Dennis. Come to Germany, my girl. Oh, why? Why should I go to Germany? Do you have a farm? Oh, what I call it? What? Beautiful place. How much does it cost to buy a nice meal? How much it cost to buy a nice meal? What, for one people? One people, that's only me, or for whole family? Because why Germany? 250 pesos. Yes, 250 pesos each. Nice meal. One people. Just you 250, something like that. Nice meal. Something like $5. Something like that. Because having a dessert. Yummy, yummy. Nice meal. A complete meal. Hello, Ella Me Vlog. Hi, Ella Me Vlog. Ella Me Vlog. I love me. Hi, maybe next time I will shout you. Okay, thank you, Mark. Thank you, Mark. Hello, Mon. Hi. Good evening po. Newbie here. Thank you. Where are you from, Pogi? Thank you sa nag-heart. Shout out from Subic. I'm fine. Thank you. Naantok na ako. Jello Marie. Hi, Jello May Vlog. Hi, please subscribe. Thank you. Subscribe my niece. Hope you subscribe my niece po. Thank you so much. Mm, 28 like. Thank you for the likes. Hope you subscribe my niece, Jello May Vlog. She will doing live soon. Hope you help my niece. Thank you so much.
Ano yung problema? Isang alpet.
Beautiful, cute cat. Simple, simple as that. Kisses from Brazil. Gracious. Oh, thank you. Humber Pedroso. Beautiful cat. Ella, I will try, but if you don't do nice content, I will leave you. Sir Card. She's also my Ella is just also my niece. Ah yes, she's my niece. She's my niece. Mon Traveler. Hi Mon Traveler. Hello Sheryl, my beautiful Mon Flower Goddess. Hi, where are you from, Mon Traveler? Thank you, Sir Card. Mon Traveler, how you know there are flowers growing? There are flowers growing.
Oy!
May pag-ibig na nagkukumbari, hindi lahat nagwawagi, iisang ka. Sorry. Gab, maturog na kita. Gab. Gabriel. Gab. Ray Basting, hi. Efrain Guzman, hello, Efrain Guzman. Efrain Guzman. I'm watching my own life. That's why I'm reading the comments. Harap mo. Maputi yun ang kilikili ko ah. Aray ko. Ayan. Guys. Guys, thank you for watching. Hi, Sir Card. are your sandals? And do you remember how much you no brand? No, wait. Fell flap. Here I like 200 250 something like that. 250 pesos. $5. My sandals, $500, something like that. Not branded, but it's fine. Does it look nice and more safe than flip flops? Yeah, flip flops. Flip flops, because this is a flip flop. Fill laps. Fill flaps. Fill lap. This is a fill laps. Yeah, fill laps. Fill laps. Fill laps. My God. Flipper, you would like it in a bikini. Okay, if I under the bikini, you can send a $1,000. I wear bikini. Deal or no deal? Flipper, you too. Hi, Elias. My God. Imagine a dolphin in a bikini. Hi, Elias. Thank you so much for joining. Elias, thank you. Thank you, Elias. I feel beautiful. Always. Think positive. It's a cow. And Zoar, hello. Where you will meet tomorrow? Yes. Where? When? Tomorrow we will meet at the airport. Where? Tomorrow. Uh, 11 p.m. here and at the airport. Hi, Elias. Thank you, Elias. Which airport? 11 a.m. Bicol. Bicol Airport at Legazpi. I'll buy. I need to know to which you. I need to know what to watch. Okay po. You need to watch me because what if my reaction something like that? The reaction. July. No WhatsApp number. I know it will be wonderful. Yes, wonderful. Happy memories. The first meet. Super. Unbelievable. Oh yes, no WhatsApp. Yes. Yes, sorry. Yes. Sarado mo na kuya. Thank you, 24 people. Okay. All right. Uh-huh. Aray ko. Sarado mo na gabang pinto kay matulog na. Kaya agad. Ay, ano na, bintana. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much. Good morning. What is the meaning of this word, Reiko? Reiko? What is that? What is that? Good morning, my beautiful, wonderful friend. Hi, Danielle, Janishi. Good morning, and my good morning, and my. You just say that. Reiko. Hi, nako. Because maybe hi, nako. Maybe nako. Hi, nako. Something like that. You just say that. Maybe nako, not Nico. My father. Ouch. Hi, Kuya Dre. How are you, Kuya? No, Raiko. Who is Raiko? I don't know Raiko. What is that? No Raiko. No Raiko. What is Raiko? Yes? Yeah? Oh. Oh. Are you can fine, Kuya? Gee, it is Araiko. Yes, Araiko. I mean, Araiko. It means ouch. Araiko, aray. And what is the meaning? The meaning is ouch. Araiko, something. Araiko, something. Ouch. Araiko, something like that. Aray. Not Raiko. Aray ko. Aray. Correct, is aray, not right. Aray ko, yes. And the meaning is aray ko is ouch. Is Mike on the way, Jollibee? Yes, Mike is on the way. Oh my God. He's on the way na. Sana all. Sana all. Eskidol. Hope you too, Kuya. Soon we will see. Sana all. Thank you, 21 people in the house. 36 likes. Yeah, he is meeting Cheryl's B. Yeah, meeting Cheryl's B. Nervous yet. Felt so nervous. Only a bit. Only a bit. All will be fine, yes. All will be fine. Happy for you too. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you so much, Kuya. I'm off work now. Be careful, Jollibee. Thank you, Kuya Dre, for joining. God bless po. Have nice evening at work day from Sir Card. Thank you, Sir Card. Starting talaga.
Nakama.
Antok much na. Pero na. Wait lang. I need to. Ah. Hi, user W11. Jose Ramirez. I hope I see you tomorrow, but because I am 7 p.m. I think Sir Fred not calling me. Maybe he calling Mike, not me. So I have to go on. See you tomorrow, maybe. Yes, your card. I'm going to rest. I'm going to rest to Sir Card. So thank you so much, guys. Time to rest na. Maybe I will do live later. Because maybe it's just a nap. Because something like that. I have sleeping, sleep well then. Thank you, Sir Card. Bye bye, everyone. God bless.